I've been on a really heavy drill kick lately. I don't know why. I think everybody, including me, is just kind of getting bored of trap music. If drill music was a publicly traded company, I'd YOLO my life savings into out-of-the-money call options on this shit. I think it's gonna moon, bro. As more and more people are looking for a fresh sound or new, updated takes on older sounds, the prevalence of drill or drill-influenced music is just gonna skyrocket. Unless, of course, there's some unforeseen genre or subgenre that emerges out of nowhere and captures everybody's attention overnight. Wait a minute. Where was I going with this? Oh yeah, I want to mix drill and plug-and-B music together. It's my contention that drill music should be, and eventually will be, combined with every currently existing subgenre and microgenre of trap music. Let's lay down some smooth electric piano keys with an R&B influence. Yeah, that's smooth as hell. I guess we could probably layer that up. Maybe add a bit of a counter melody on the layer so the shit doesn't sound so goddamn plain. Throw a chorus effect on there to give it a bit more depth. Ah yes, the ARP, the lazy man's favorite melody creation tool. Just copy and paste the chords here. And, actually I might have to screw around with this a bit more. That's better. Throw on a bandpass to get rid of those loathsome lows and ear-piercingly harsh highs. I guess we could lay down a lead. And let's layer that up. As far as the melody goes, I think we have plenty. I'm going to approach this by using plug drum kit samples arranged in drill type rhythms. I could see the argument for using drill samples here, but for me I think this makes the most sense since these samples are designed to work with PluggnB melodic sound selection, so it should lead to a more cohesive sound overall. If you disagree with my assessment here, whatever. I guess for the 808 we could pick something from a UK kit. As always, I'm gonna throw this beat up on BeatStars as a free download for non-profit use. But anyway, I'm gonna go mix this beat to the best of my ability and see how it sounds.
Jam at the beat, so we mixing it perfect.